To my YouTube channel. My name is Sheila Tinomsha Kauhanga, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, hit the all notification bell so that every time I post a video, you'll be the first one to know. Yes, today I'm doing something rather different from what I've been doing in the previous months. So just to take you back so that you know what I'm doing. This channel has mainly been doing personal financial management, but now I want to mix two things that I like. So we will be doing personal financial management, anything to do with personal financial management. Every Monday, I'll upload a video on Monday. Then every Friday, I'll upload a video to do with home styling and home organization. And I called that corner the serene and beautiful homesug. I'll be creating an Instagram page for it, so watch out for the Instagram page that is coming soon. Yes, these videos will be out, the home organization videos will be out every Friday, just to motivate you into the weekend. Yes, motivate you to organize your homes, to clean your homes, to style your homes better. Yeah, and if you're new, if you're just leaving your home, like your parents' home, or if you're just getting married and getting a new home for the first time, this is the right channel for you, because we're going to talk about all those things. If I'm leaving my home and starting a new home for myself, what are the things I should be looking out for? Click the subscribe button, hit the all notification bell, and let's get this started. Today we're going to be organizing my closet, as you can see. Yeah, please come aboard. Let's do this. Welcome to my closet once again. This is how it looks right now before I do the general cleaning. Oh my god, it's so disorganized. Wow. So this is how it looks. This is my husband's side. When I'm doing general cleaning, I usually remove everything out of the closet so that I can start with a clear closet and clean it up. So there I mixed water, liquid soap, some Dettol, and fabric soap softener so that I can have some nice touch of scent while I clean. So I cleaned the walls, then I cleaned the doors, just so that in case there are any cobwebs, I'm able to cup them, and also to dust and disinfect the entire station before I can put back the clothes. I then start sorting my clothes, the ones that no longer fit, the ones that I rarely wear. So I select the ones that I'm currently wearing, the ones that have been functioning. I put them back, organize them quite well, and put them back. And then because I don't have enough hangers, I tried to have at least 2 or 3 blouses or 2 or 3 dresses hanged on one hanger, as you can see. Then I sort the ones that are to be given away. So there I was trying to discuss with my sister on whether the dress would still work, because it has a mini slit inside and it's a bit uncomfortable to wear. So yeah, I select the clothes that are functioning and put them back, organize them well and put them back in the closet. As you can see, I start with the long clothes to my right. I hang all my dresses first from the right going to the left, because I'm right-handed. So when you're right-handed, you're supposed to hang your clothes moving from the right to the left, so they should be facing in the left, towards your left direction. So as you can see, I'm sorting the clothes I no longer wear, those that are short, those that are no longer presentable. Yeah, I put them aside for donation and to give to other people who are probably still in the size that I was when I was wearing them. So the dresses come first, then the blouses go next. With the blouses, I always hang the blouses that do not have buttons, the ones that are not like shirts, the vest-like blouses. Then on top of the blouse, I put a shirt, the one that has a button, so that it's easy for me to know which clothes. For the dresses, I always hold the dress up from the collar, from the neck. I hold it straight, fold it into 2, and then hang it inside my hanger. This is the final product. This is how my closet usually looks like after general cleaning. The dresses are alone and the shirts are alone. Yes. So we now head to folding my blanket, as you can see. So I usually stretch it out, hold one corner, and then look for the next corner, combine them together. As you can see, I've tried to stretch it down on the bed, lay it properly, and then I fold it again. Horizontally, then I roll it. So I usually roll it into small bits so that it's easy for me to keep. So here I rolled it so that I could keep it down in the closet, but then later on I changed it and put it in a blanket bag. Being that I'm in a rental, I don't have an office space yet, so I keep most of my books in there, and then I'm still saving up for a dressing table. But for now, I got myself that basket from Capital Shoppers. Yeah, that's where I usually put most of my cosmetics, and that's where I put most of my lipstick, my combs. Yeah, just a mini dressing table. Yeah, but it will be sorted soon. I then did the same thing for my husband's side. I removed everything out, cleaned the walls, cleaned the doors, and now I'm setting it back. I did it off camera. Now I'm setting up the area. This is where I usually put all my stationery, mostly the current stationery that I'm using within the week. But the one that is not really current is usually in the box that you saw before. My husband's clothes usually hang each shirt on its own because they're usually ironed, just to ease my life. So I iron them before, immediately after washing, they're ironed, and then hang them each shirt in a hanger so that they don't crease easily. So I got myself those lovely hangers. They help in folding jeans or trousers. So you just put the jean in and pull out, and it's just so organized. It's easier than when they're folded, because when they're folded it's hard for you to see which jean is which. So I prefer when they're hanged, and being that I don't have the inserts, the wardrobes within the closet, those wardrobes that you pull and maybe put in your folded clothes, I don't have them, so that feels better and easy. And I usually try to give the hangers some spacing so that they look nice, as you have seen. Then, as I had told you, I don't have wardrobes, so I use a suitcase to keep most of the folded clothes. The clothes that I rarely wear are the ones that are on the ones that you're currently seeing me folding and keeping away. Then that's how I fold my bed sheets, corner to corner, as I had earlier showed you. Flatten it up, yes, and fold it into 3. So I ironed most of my bed sheets, and the bed sheets you're currently seeing were ironed. So I'm just refolding them in a better way than the way I had folded them when they were ironed. So that's me piling the bed sheets together to just give them a clean and neat finish. As you've already noticed, I like folding my clothes into small pieces to the very last, until it can be the smallest it can be. Yeah, I like it that way because it saves space. I don't have that much space to really fold them in big, nice, fashionable styles. So I do the smallest it can go to. So I usually fold into 3s or 4s, as long as it can be slim enough for me to store or to keep away. Yeah, so I'm done folding my clothes. So I'm now storing the clothes away, those that are folded, and putting them in the suitcase. I opened the suitcase up so that it's easy for me to access them. And now I closed, I was done and closed all the closets and cleaned the outside of the doors. And yes, it's now sparkling and very shiny. So that's the new neat closet. This is the after. So fresh and nice. That's how I pull out my jewelry and my makeup. That's how I pull out all the things when I'm using them in the morning to go to work. That's my current bag that I'm using. The other bags are kept away from the closet. This side, wow, it just turned out so nice. This is how I fold my clothes so that I can easily see what is inside the suitcase. Yes, this is where I keep the books, the pens. Yeah, I'm utilizing the available space to put everything I have in there. Wow. Go ahead and organize your homes. I hope this was a good inspiration to give you that energy and morale to go and organize your home. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching till this far. I really appreciate it. Yeah, so we're now organizing the upper side. It's getting late. I got some things were not filmed on camera. So I had to clean it up, to dust it, and when I was done, I was able to bring back the things I had organized off camera and put them in. I managed to get myself a box, a container, to keep all the things that were in the polythenes stored away neatly. Most of them are my daughter's clothes when she was still young, and then the bed cover that I folded, I got for it. The bag, as I had earlier mentioned. And yes, I'm done. This is so beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, see you next Friday. Bye bye. Go clean your homes. This is the after, and this looks so beautiful.